Welcome to our channel Mind Mentor. In this exploration, we embark to understand about rabies, its origins, transmission, clinical manifestations, and the ongoing efforts to combat and prevent its devastating impact on both human and animal populations. Rabies is a viral disease that affects mammals, including humans. It is caused by the rabies virus, which belongs to the Lyssa virus genus. Rabies is a highly lethal and almost always fatal disease if left untreated. Causes: rabies is primarily transmitted through the saliva of an infected animal when it bites or scratches another animal or human. The virus enters the body through broken skin or mucous membranes. Once inside the body, the virus travels along nerve pathways towards the central nervous system and eventually the brain. This process can take several weeks, during which there may be no visible symptoms. Common sources of rabies transmission to humans include 1. Wild infected animals like raccoons, bats, skunks, foxes, and stray dogs and cats can carry the virus. In many cases, domestic animals can become infected if they come into contact with rabid wildlife. 2. While rare, human-to-human transmission of rabies can occur through organ transplantation or corneal transplants if the donor had rabies, as well as through exposure to infected saliva or neural tissue, typically via bites. Symptoms: once the virus reaches the brain, symptoms of rabies become evident, and they usually progress rapidly. Early symptoms may include fever, headache, and discomfort at the site of the bite. As the disease advances, individuals may experience agitation, anxiety, confusion and hallucinations, excessive salivation, difficulty swallowing, muscle spasm, seizures, paralysis, and coma. Once symptoms appear, rabies is fatal. Therefore, timely medical intervention is crucial. Cure: there is no cure for rabies once clinical symptoms have appeared. The disease is nearly always fatal at this stage. However, there is a post-exposure prophylaxis (PEP) treatment that can prevent the onset of symptoms if administered soon after exposure to the virus. PEP consists of 1. Wound care. Cleaning and disinfecting the wound thoroughly can help reduce the risk of infection. 2. Rabies vaccine. The rabies vaccine is administered in multiple doses over a specific schedule. This vaccine helps the immune system generate antibodies to fight the virus. 3. Rabies immune globulin. REG may be given in conjunction with the vaccine for those at higher risk of rabies exposure. It provides immediate antibodies to help neutralize the virus. PEP is highly effective when administered before the virus reaches the central nervous system. It's crucial to seek medical attention immediately after a potential exposure to rabies, such as a bite or scratch from a potentially rabid animal. The effectiveness of PEP decreases significantly once clinical symptoms appear. Preventative measures, such as vaccinating pets, avoiding contact with wild animals, and seeking medical attention after any possible exposure, are essential for rabies control. Public health efforts also include controlling rabies in wildlife populations and educating communities about the risks and prevention of the disease. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, kindly like and subscribe our channel Mind Mentor.